Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to take a look at how we go about creating our own vulnerable Windows 10 target machine. While researching the internet looking for scripts that I could use to create my own Windows 10 vulnerable testing machine, I came upon this particular site up on GitHub, the IPE Workshop by Saji Hahar. I'm hoping I'm saying his name right. I'm going to put the URL for this GitHub site up inside of the description. And what you're going to do when you get here is you're going to go down here to this IPE Windows Setup.bat script. You're just going to click on it like this. That's going to take you on over here to where you can see the actual code that's inside of the script. Then you're going to go to raw, like so. You're going to do a Control-A, a Control-C. With the contents of the batch file copied, we're going to bring up our virtual install of Windows 10. This is my virtual install of Windows 10 that I use inside of my lab for practicing ethical hacking, pen testing, and the like. What I've done is I've just created a text file. Right-click on the desktop here. I'll go through it with you one time. Right-click on the desktop, and from the context menu, you select text document like so. Just open it up, and what you're going to do, let me give you some more screen here. Just right-click anywhere inside of here and paste. Now, for this to work, you must have the guest editions, the latest version of the guest editions for VirtualBox. If not, you're going to have to go to the internet from your Windows 10 machine, get the script, and copy and paste the contents as I'm showing you here. My network adapter here is set to bridged adapter. That's what they recommend that this adapter be set to if you're going to practice privilege escalation. The next thing you're going to do is go up here to File, and you're going to do Save As, and you're going to give it a user-friendly name. I called mine a vulnerable_script, but you can call it anything you want. Call it Windows 10 script. Just like that. Now you're going to give it a batch. Now you're going to create a batch file by giving it the extension of bat. Now just do a save. We're going to save it to the desktop. Save it anywhere you want. You can go ahead and close this out. Here's my new script. All I have to do is just double click it. And as the script runs, it will create some vulnerable folders, some services, some DLLs, and change some permission settings as needed. When you're done, you'll have to reboot, and it's going to tell you that you have to do so. Please restart Windows to begin, pressing a key to continue, like that. Scroll on down here. Let's do a restart. And when we come back up, we'll look at some of the changes that were made to my Windows 10 target machine. And so we're back up, and now we're going to go up inside of my File Explorer. And we're going to take a look at some of these vulnerabilities that have been created up inside of my program files. So let's go to my C drive here. Let's go to Program Files. And inside of here, you can see all of the new folders that have been created as a result of running that vulnerability script. Make sure that you only run this script inside of a virtual install of Windows 10 that you want to use as a target to practice privilege escalation. And so in this short video presentation, you've got to see how we can easily download a ready-built script and create our own vulnerable Windows 10 machine so that we can practice privilege escalation. I'm Professor K. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.